Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the Java program in BlueJ environment. Means how to write Java programs in BlueJ environment, how compile it and how to run the program. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss a topic if-else statement in Java using BlueJ environment. Okay, if-else statement means we are just take an example of conditional statement using if-else, and here I am using BlueJ IDE version 4.1.4. Okay. So this is the BlueJ IDE. Now here I write the code for if-else statement in Java. Okay. So at first we create a new class. Just press on new class button and just put a name. Suppose we write here ex1. Okay, and press OK. And this is the ex1 class file. Right click on that and just open editor. And whatever written into there, it is by default. Just delete it and just write whatever the code we want to write for if-else statement is concerned. Okay, so at first we write the class ex1. Okay, and here suppose we just write the public static void main method and just pass as argument string array, string args. Okay, suppose we declare some variable int a comma b comma c. Okay, and now initialize the value for a. Suppose it is 10 and for b it is 20 and for c just default value, suppose 0. Okay, now just check the condition using if-else statement. Just write if and within parentheses just check a greater than b. If it is true, then we just change the value of c equal to 10 and then print system.out.println and just print the value of c equal within double quote and then just write plus c, means we are just concatenate. And this is the part of if. And now if the condition is false, then it goes through the else part. And now the c new value will be 25 suppose, and here it's just print system.out.println and again same way write within double quote c equal and plus c and close this parenthesis and then semicolon, and this is the end of else part. Okay, now we just end of this main method and then we just end the class. Okay, now what happened here, three variables is declared a, b, c, and we just initialize the value a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and another variable c just put the value as 0. Now check a greater than b, so a value is 10, so and b value is 20. 10 greater than 20, it's a false. So in that case what happened, this statement will never execute, so it just go to the else part. And what is the code for else? C equal to 25 means now the new c value is 25 and it just print c value is 25. So just compile it and close this editor and just run this void main method and just see c equal to 25. Why? Because 10 greater than 20 is a false. Okay, again I just open the editor and just change some condition. Just write a less than b. So now what happened, 10 less than b, now it's a true. That means it never goes to the else part, and now it just go to the if statements. So now the c value is 10 and it just print c equal to 10. So just compile it, just close the editor and again run the main method, and what will be the output? C equal to 10. So this is the simplest example how to write if-else statement in Java using BlueJ environment. Actually this is the conditional statement, means here some condition is provided within this if part, and if the condition is true, so then it just execute whatever the statement provide within the if. If the condition is false, it just go to the else part, and whatever the statement provide within the else part, it just execute into there. Means both statement never execute simultaneously. Means one of the part just execute. When the condition is true, if statement will be execute. If the condition is false, else statements will be execute. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcane. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcane. Thank you and bye bye.